Hello guys, welcome back to another session of data validation in Excel. This is brought to you by Knowledge Guru from Bonito Knowledge. In case of any queries, write us to on bonito.service@gmail.com. In this session, we are going to go through the the basic problems with Excel input data collection, how to overcome them using data validation option. Yeah, so let me go through one sheet. Yeah. So, so here I have one sheet where I want this sheet I will be circulating to few guys in my office, and I want them to fill the details here and send it back to me. But the problem is some people will fill year, let's say some will fill like 2017, some might fill just 17, some might make a typing mistakes. So at the end, it will be very difficult for me to align this data the way I did need and arrive at the right inputs. This is the reason Excel provides a very powerful tool or the utility called a data validation. So for me in this example, I'm going to cover the couple of data validation techniques that we normally use. First is the list, where in another sheet I have decided which years I want them to fill. Let's say the second is class. Class I have written here which class they should select. Third, amount. Okay, I can go for the list amount, or I will ask them to fill restrict amount by writing only numbers. They can write anything but only numbers. And last, I need their mobile number collections, but here also I need numbers, not only number, I need a valid 10-digit mobile number. So I need these inputs to be validated by Excel itself before it comes to me. So what I do? First, let us put the validation for year. So I select this year column, go to data, go to data validation. Here there are three options. You can go to allow. Here you have to select list. Click on list. It will ask you the source. Click on source, go to validation sheet, validation raw sheet. Here I select these three values. So this Excel will validate, it will eventually give me the drop down options to select the three values that I have in the other sheet. So no more mistakes. I can choose one of them, or anybody who is working on this Excel has to choose. Even if I try to type something else, it will not accept. It will throw me an error. Until I correct it, it will not correct. So I must choose between the values. So this is one validation. The second also, let us select the column, go to home, sorry, data, data validation, select list option, select this to define which values we want. I want these five values to be in the drop down. Say OK. So I have these values available. I can choose, or anybody who is working on this Excel will choose the values. So in final, when I'm processing this data, I will have only these values available. Now next, amount, the people can write, let's say I write 2000. Someone will write 2000, like some other way will write 2k. Someone will write 1000 into 2. I mean, okay, everything is everyone is right for the reason, right? I mean, they are not wrong, but this is not the way I want to collect the data in Excel. So what I do, I just tell them that amount has to be in dollar or the respective currency, and I select another method of validation. I select the whole column, go to data, data validation. Here I choose the whole number, yeah, and I can give between, say, minimum 1000 and maximum 10,000. So they cannot type anything more than this. So if I try to type 5, it will throw me an error. Okay, so what I should do is, let's say I type 5,000. That's a valid input it will take. If I write something else, it will throw me an error. So the guys have to write it properly, then only it will accept it. On our email ID bonito.service@gmail.com. Thank you very much.